Sorry, sir. People with heart conditions may not ride.
Why, I'm in the best shape I've ever... Oh, heart attack! Been in my life. I feel like a 20-stroke-year-old. Massive aneurysm. How it outside?
Oh, you too much, Manny.
You can enjoy each other's nonsense. You don't say. Well, back in my day, people never had to go with one another. Well, Maggie, looks like I'll be taking care of... That's it, Maggie. Stay with Grandpa. Wow, we're the first people to ever ride this baby. We're like that space guy who did that moon thing.
Neil Armstrong?
No, Chewbacca.
Now enjoy the Ferris wheel. Or whatever this is. What do you want?
A dish best served cold. Is it ice cream?
No revenge!
We're on vacation. Can't you kill me on the work day?
Simpsons, get in that ride!
Forget it, Bob. We'll never... Dad!
I've waited in line an hour for this thing and I'm pregnant. Now hop in.
Now the last thing you'll ever see. A legally required safety.
Here are some brief guidelines to ensure a safe and pleasant experience. When the doors open, move immediately into the vehicle loading station. Walk, don't run. Take your seats in an orderly fashion, and please wash your head as you enter the vehicle. If you have difficulty dealing with small spaces, make the crusty crew member aware of this before entering the vehicle. Once you are seated, please pull down on the lap bar. Please remain seated and face forward while the vehicle is in motion. Keep your arms and legs clear of the closing doors and inside the vehicle at all times.
I have a math test to study for. If I don't get a C, I get kicked out of the audio-visual club.
He's reading it upside down.
Oh.
He's reading it upside down. That's all. Usually they had this.
I've taken over every area of the park. There's no place you'll be safe from me. And now, enjoy a ride that's about to be demolished while you're riding it.
A roller coaster.
I'm scared, Dad!
Sweetie, they won't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do. You're about to die.
You sound like my dad.
Unexpected. So anyway, where are you all?
Not only are you not killing us, I'm having fun. That's a lot of carpet. Our roller coaster fell out. Hey, I can see a car. You guys haven't seen a giant steel blow, have you?
Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth. The kiddie ride. Ooh, at least we're safe.
Say we
Alone at last.
I'm trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
because I want to be fair, a piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you.
Fear!
Oh, it's a temptation.
Did fear hurt anybody? I hate chainmail!
Foiled my plans for the last time. Now!
You soiled your pants for the last time? The baby is wet and presumed drinking.
Well, they're gonna change that.
Daddy's coming, giant Daddy. Come on, Daddy. Just try something.
Don't break it, you pussy!
Get away from my baby. Don't do it. Get those tourists out of your mouth. You don't know where they've been.
Home sweet. Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop?
This must be the part where they take your picture. Okay, smile.
Took 5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare. Thank God this ride is over.
Well, that's our ride. Hey, what does this do?